How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back. We are looking at a lot of setups today. The market is flipping bullish today, which is why we're probably only going to look at longs. I am in this Natic long. I'm in this OP long. I just actually added to this position because it's currently at support. So you could look to add this position right now for OP. I think OP is going to pump hard today just based on the market structure, and I'll show you exactly my levels I'm looking at. Okay, so have a look at OP, guys, because Bitcoin is still holding this. Where's OP? Right over here. So have a look here. This is looking really clean for long setups today. So yeah, have a look at this. While we wait for people to join, I will just quickly play some music in the background, and then we'll wait a little bit for a couple of people to join. Yeah. Okay.
I got 30 money, me and money. 天不怕地不怕，主力房子特别大，银邦没进人民币，老子们全都吃得下。天不怕地不怕，不耍皮肤只打假，从来不说黑娃，因为黑娃不讲中国话。赚透了钱，偷钱，偷了钱，偷钱，偷钱，赚透了钱，偷钱，偷了钱，偷钱，偷钱，赚透了钱，偷钱，偷了钱，偷钱，偷钱，赚透了钱，偷钱，偷了钱，偷钱，偷钱。那边的 place 我们放的，这种风格走出中国收藏我最疯的假洋鬼子被我终结，路易苏里演出非打进我卡头，粒粒破亮，每天都想被我卡掉，随时都感觉很顶，808帮我操心，赚钱都赚上了瘾，老子们都是 to win，随时都感觉很顶，本子梦你还没醒，兄弟玩给老子听到就嘎西了，永远是重庆的 king， 搞清楚了没有？另一方我不追究，我们赚多钱，你一天想变美而黑秀，那个圈子找到细节，老子只给你牛几倍，不用再去奋斗激烈，看现在是个企业，我们早就出了套，兄弟都是 rap star， 其实都想走人法，我们早就秃了套。因为我们天不怕地不怕，主力房子特别大，银邦没进人民币，老子们全都吃得下。天不怕地不怕，不耍皮肤只打假，从来不说黑娃，因为黑娃不讲中国话。赚透了钱，偷钱，偷了钱，偷钱，偷钱，赚透了钱，偷钱，偷了钱，偷钱，偷钱，赚透了钱，偷钱，偷了钱，偷钱，偷钱。
I'm just waiting for a couple more people to join, and then we'll get going. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, I want to first speak about Bitcoin, and then we'll go to the other time frame. So the 4-hour candle did actually just close, and what's important to note about this 4-hour candle, obviously the market is coming down a little bit now, right? But the 4-hour candle closed bullish, right? And it closed back above the range. So because we closed bullish, if you look at Bitcoin, right, it closed bullish back above this key range here. So I'm expecting the markets to come back up to around about 52,400, 52,500 within today. Definitely a possibility, and especially if this next 50-minute candle starts to flip bullish here. Okay, so for me, for Bitcoin, I'm gonna have to wait because the 4-hour candle just closed, and it's a bullish 4-hour candle closure. The problem is we have this 30-minute and 15-minute resistance. Okay. So for me to take longs today, I need to wait for price to close above this level here, right? So I need to wait for price to close above here, and then I'll take a position. But the thing is, the markets, it's yesterday I was quite bearish on the day, and then if you look at the charts, we actually took a short from this level back down to here, but the market's flipping bullish here, guys. So it's flipping bullish. We're holding the support. And the market looks like price is coming back up to these highs. Okay, so yeah, we've changed. We're looking at longs today. We actually are on a long. If you guys did join, I did send this in the group this morning. It's a Matic long, and then OP we actually took a long in the beginning of the video as well. Okay, so OP, have a look at OP, guys. Like the problem with OP, it moves a lot. So if you're using high leverage, it's a little bit sketchy, but if you're using like 5 leverage here, 5 to 10x leverage, you should be good. Because think about it, if you look at OP, what's happening, How's it, Ty? Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Yeah, so basically, if you look at OP, it's starting to flip bullish here, guys. Look at this. Look at the 4-hour candle, closed beautifully above the range here, right? 4-hour candle closed really, really strong above the range. And OP has, I mean, it has like 7% to the upside within today. Now, I'm actually long on OP. Yeah, I took a long. Have a look here. I'll show you my position. I'm actually trying to, yeah, so I did take a long here for OP. You can see there's my position. We took this in the beginning of the live stream, guys. I'm expecting OP to pop off hard today, just based on the market structure, right? And then Bitcoin starting to flip bullish. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna get positions for Bitcoin soon. Matic, we obviously long here on Matic. Yeah, I mean everything is bullish today, guys. We did send all of these signals in the Telegram group, so make sure you guys join the Telegram. We have posted a couple signals today, and we have flipped bullish, right? It's always good to. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well. The market's looking good. OP is looking absolutely beautiful here, guys. Look at this. OP's gonna pump hard. I'm already up like. Okay, I put, what is my leverage? Okay, it was a 30x leverage, so it's a little bit of aggressive on OP, but it's looking clean here, guys. It's looking very clean. Bitcoin's about to pump as well. Look at Matic. Matic's pumping so nicely here, guys. Beautiful. Mapu. Make sure you guys join the Telegram group. If you guys do need, the Telegram, let me know. I can put it in the chat. But I mean, I've sent it out yesterday. I don't know. But Matic looks like it's about to pump hard. Yeah, OP's pumping. Everything's kind of pumping. Yeah. And then, yeah, not much else. We're gonna look at some other setups. Mainly, I'm focusing on Bitcoin here. Because if Bitcoin flips bullish and closes above the range, then it's just really, really strong, yeah. And Bitcoin's gonna pretty much tell us what the market's gonna do today, right? So I'm looking at the setup for Bitcoin. We're gonna have to be patient here. I did go live a little bit early today because the market is looking a bit good. It's looking really good today. So I decided to go 1 hour early. I didn't want to miss any of these setups today for you guys. So we'll be patient here. We're gonna be patient. Yeah. But we are on a couple positions. Matic looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Matic looks absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Matic's about to pump. Mapu. What's your guys' thoughts on the market? What are you guys looking at? Sol. Yeah, let's have a look at Sol. Good idea. Sol must be breaking out as well. Let's have a look at Sol. I think OP. Don't miss the OP, you guys. OP's gonna pump today. Solana. What's happening with Solana? I actually haven't looked at it today. Solana. Oh, Solana is breaking out here, guys. Okay, so Solana, the 4-hour candle closed above the range, right? The 1-hour candle flipped bullish. Yeah, this would have been a good entry, to be honest with you. This would have been a beautiful entry. Yeah, personally, I just can't enter this now. It just doesn't really make sense. But have a look at this, right? It closed back above the range. Looks really, really good. Looks really, really good, yeah. I do think that Solana's in a pump there. You could look back. Solana could come back up to these highs here, guys, at 108. Yeah, but it's fine. The thing is, I can't take the setup now because it's kind of already pumped, right? So I just have to be patient here. I can't really do much. But we're gonna look at Bitcoin. OP is absolutely pumping, yeah. This signal was shared right in the beginning of the stream, yeah, guys. So I'm trading on a couple of accounts. So I've got OP long over here, and then I've got Matic's long over here. Okay, so I'm trading on a couple of accounts. It's not just one account. So it's hard to show you all my trades, but we are taking these trades, guys. We are taking these trades. Matic TP1 is Matic TP1 is at 0.9728. Then TP2 is gonna have to be 0.99. Okay. But Matic's just absolutely bullish. Oh, look at OP. Check OP. Dude, OP's pumping. OP's pumping, guys. OP's pumping. We spoke about this, guys. We spoke about OP. And Matic as well. We literally took OP in the beginning of the stream. Literally right in the beginning of the stream, guys. In the beginning. You have to make sure you join straight away, because the reason why I go live at certain times is based on like what the market's doing. And if the market's looking good, I want to go live because I want to make sure that you guys are getting the positions that I'm getting, right? Otherwise, there's no point. Another good day. Yesterday was a no loss day, actually. Today is looking like the same. Don't want to speak too soon, though. Don't want to speak too soon, but we'll see. The markets, I mean, it doesn't look bearish at all. OP is just pumping, guys. Beautiful. Where's OP gonna go? Let's have a look. I'm just waiting for Bitcoin first. Bitcoin is looking good for long here, guys. I'm looking at this. We're gonna wait for this. So we're in a couple positions here. I'm waiting for Bitcoin though. Bitcoin, the nice thing with Bitcoin, we can go a bit aggressive on the leverage, maybe hit 50x leverage. See. Okay. Bitcoin's looking good, yeah. Matic's just absolutely ripping. Matic's about to hit TP1, yeah. Matic was 0 drawdown as well. It was literally 0 drawdown. It's just straight in profit. Check this. Yeah, Matic's ripping here, guys. Check at this. It's about to pump. Bitcoin still holding. I'm probably gonna take some profits here for Matic, because Bitcoin is getting rejected, yeah. So I might take a little bit off now, just a little bit off, because Bitcoin is getting a little bit rejected. Remember, it's always good to just take a little bit of profits, right? Don't be scared of it. Oh, Ethereum's pumping. Ethereum's absolutely pumping. What's happening with Ethereum? Let's have a look. Ethereum's absolutely pumping out. This is crazy. Yo. Ethereum's pumping. It's back to 3,000. No. Yeah, the 4-hour close is so bullish here for Ethereum. Close is absolutely bullish here. Okay, so I mean, if ETH closes above this level here, right? If ETH closes above this level here on the 1-hour time frame, then it's just gonna absolutely pump. Yeah, I do see ETH pumping today. I mean, this is ETH closed above the 2980 resistance. It's been such a crucial level for Ethereum, right? So like, if ETH takes out that high that we've drawn on the chart, yeah, at 3017, you know, we can see ETH back to like where can ETH go to, like 3,500 or something. I analyzed this the other day. Where can ETH go to? We have quite a strong level here. Yeah, we could look to long ETH once we get a closure. But I mean, look how strong this is. It looks so strong here, guys. ETH looks so strong, yeah. We can't take longs now because it's at resistance, right? So we're gonna have to wait for price to close above resistance, right? Wait for price to close above, and then we're looking at a 7% range to guys. 7% range. It's quite aggressive, right? So I mean, even if you use a 10x, that's 70% on the trade. 70% on the trade. Yeah. So we're gonna wait for that. Might only happen later. Bitcoin's getting rejected, guys. Bitcoin's getting rejected. So I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even for Matic here. Just because there's no point in me just if this can easily just flip bearish, right? So I took out some profits already, but it can still flip. But I am confident on the market today that it is bullish. I mean, waiting for Bitcoin to close above this level, yeah. Okay. We're waiting for Bitcoin to close above this level, yeah. But OP is just pumping. I don't know what's happening to OP, yeah. Let's have a look at OP again. Yeah, look at OP. This is beautiful. Our entry was really good though. Our entry was really good, yeah. You can make a lot of cash on OP today, to be honest with you. Because I mean, my range, what is the range here, guys? My range is from entry, I'm looking at a 7% range, which is quite a lot, right? 7% using 30x, that's 210% profit. But like, the probability of it hitting our level is not likely. We're gonna have a look at some other setups. So, I do want to wait for this Bitcoin setup though, because it is a very nice setup. Okay. Yeah, so I will wait for this for Bitcoin today. This is a beautiful setup for Bitcoin. Okay. And we're gonna go on a 50x leverage on this long, yeah. Okay. Bitcoin, I'm waiting. I'll post it. Yeah, so I'm waiting for this for Bitcoin. Okay. What happened to CHZ? I was long on CHZ and I took profit a bit earlier. CHZ. We took this long as well in the beginning of the. Yeah, CHZ is not doing much. AVAX bouncing beautifully from the zone, yeah. AVAX is bouncing beautifully. Everything's kind of pumping, guys. Everything's kind of pumping, yeah. I think OP is going to do well, yeah. OP is going to be one of the coins that are going to pump the most. Because there's just so much range for OP today. There's just a lot of range. Matic's just very clean. And OP is good. Real life. Bitcoin, we're waiting for Bitcoin setup. Okay, if you guys did just join, we are waiting for Bitcoin long. We're waiting for it to flip. We're waiting for it to so we need price to close above. We need price to close above 51,853. Okay, if price doesn't close above there, then I'm not going to take the long. Okay, because price is getting rejected from the current high, right? So you need to wait for price to flip bullish, and once the flip's bullish, then we can take the position. But yeah, it's looking good today, guys. The market's looking good. Real light. We're gonna wait for this. No light. OP. I think if you guys haven't entered OP, you can look to enter. It's still holding the previous resistance here, and it just looks really strong today. Looks really good today. Really good. But it's all dependent on what this chart does, yeah. Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin gonna do today, right? So we know that the 4-hour candle closed really bullish, and it closed back above the range. So it's a valid setup to look for longs today. I wouldn't take shorts today, but I could be wrong, right? But most of my positions today are longs until Bitcoin actually starts closing back below like 51,400, then I'd flip bearish, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen today, to be honest with you. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm only gonna be doing. I'm like right now, I'm just waiting for Bitcoin long, okay? Because we in what, like 4 longs now, so we need to wait for Bitcoin to flip bullish, yeah. And if Bitcoin flips bullish, then all our longs are just gonna pump, right? So, which would be great. So let's wait for this. We're pretty much just waiting for I want the 30-minute candle to close above the range. 30-minute candle closes above the range, then it's beautiful. Okay. But yeah, so a good day today. Looks like a good day today to take longs. It does look like a good day to take longs. Yeah, OP's pumping, guys. OP's gonna pump. Watch this. Once OP breaks this this previous wick over here, it's gonna rip. Okay. But it needs to break that previous wick. If it doesn't break that previous wick, then it's like what's happening now. Let's see how this plays out. Because pretty much, if you look at this box over here, right, it's something is holding it up here. So if you look left, there's a bit of resistance here, right? Bit of resistance over here. If you have a look left here, same yeah. It's quite a strong level, right? So OP needs to push through this level in order for it to be bullish, right? But I mean, our entry was class, so I'm not really worried. So you took the OP. Good morning. I did take the OP long. I'm waiting for Bitcoin for another setup. Right, I'm waiting for Bitcoin for the next setup. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all I'm waiting for, because we are long on Matic. We took this long in the beginning. And then, yeah, but the problem is, like I was explaining to the guys earlier, right? If Bitcoin flips bearish, yeah, like now, right? Then we need to wait for Bitcoin to break above this key level here, because if Bitcoin doesn't break above this level here on the 30-minute time frame, then we're gonna see the altcoins start to lose strength, right? Okay, so it's kind of all just dependent on what Bitcoin's doing, right? But let's have a look and see if we can find some other setups, because we already took these trades already. Let's have a look at Solana again. Let's have a look at Solana. Well, Solana is coming back down, guys, so this is good. So a good entry for Solana here is going to be, yeah, this is clean. Okay, so if Solana comes back down to these levels here, yeah, I'm gonna look for a long here for Solana. If it comes back down to this level here, okay, this is what I'm gonna look for Sol. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that. Okay, Solana hits our entry, we're going to look for this, but it looks like it might just pump from this level here. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is currently still looking fine. We need Bitcoin to flip bullish here, otherwise the market's just going to consolidate for quite a while. But yeah, for Solana, we're kind of just waiting for this. Okay, so this will be clean though, because we were looking at a Solana long because we had a closure above this level here. And then this price will come back down and then retest our level for position, okay? So that's what I'll be looking at. We're going to wait for this for Solana because I think Solana is going to do well there. Okay. Check Matic. Yeah, sure. Yeah, we long on Matic. We've been long since the beginning. We did take a little bit of profits around about here, and then we put our stop loss to break even for this trade. Okay, so yeah, we did actually long Matic already. So not really worried about Matic. Matic looks bullish there. Okay. To be honest with you guys, I am looking at the Solana long now because yeah, I'm gonna take this position for Solana. I'll post it. I'm gonna take this for Solana, yeah, guys. I'm gonna take this position. I'll post it now. Yeah, okay. Solana long, guys. Trust me. This should be clean. So the stop loss for Solana would have to be, you can actually get a better entry now, where we were looking at earlier, right? You can actually get a way better entry if you enter now, okay? And then you can just put your stop loss would have to be below this wick over here, below like 103.7. The reason why it has to be below there is based on, if you look left here, we have previous support over here. So this would be the setup. Because Bitcoin is coming down a bit here. Bitcoin is coming down a little bit. Okay. But if you look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, right? It's bullish, right? Because it closed back above the range. So all of this retracement that's been happening now, it won't last forever, right? It's just a retracement. So don't, yeah, if you are on longs, it doesn't really matter because, yeah. So we're gonna take this position, Solana. Okay, let me post this in the group. Stop loss is at 103.7, and then CP is at 108.8. Okay, 108.8. That is your TP for Solana. Okay. Let's go back to, OP came back down to entry, guys. So if you haven't longed OP here, I still think that it's valid for long. Okay. So if you haven't had a look at this long here for OP, because I am bullish on OP here, guys. Let's see. Matic closed Matic closed bullish, right? So Matic still looks good. The 30-minute candle closed nicely as well. Just watch out with OP with your leverage because it moves a lot, right? It does move a lot. So if you're using high leverage, you will see the numbers change very quickly. So just manage your risk on this one. You don't want to go high leverage on this one. Maybe like a 10x or 5x because our range is 7%, right? And then Solana still looks good, yeah, guys. But yeah, it came back down to entry, which is good. Because the thing is, if you look at this chart, right? Let me just change this song. If you look at this chart, right? First of all, the good way to look at it is when price closes below this level, what happens? When price closes below, we tend to come down. When price closes above, we tend to push up, right? So we closed above here, we pushed up to this level here for OP, right? And then we closed above there over here. We closed above this level over here, and then we came back up to around about this level here. Okay, so these levels are what you should be looking at for when you're looking at trades. You have to be looking at your previous price action. And then Bitcoin, we're still waiting for Bitcoin to flip bullish, guys. Once Bitcoin flips bullish above our range, then we can take the long. But at the moment, we can't take this position because it hasn't closed above the range. Because I remember yesterday we were speaking about how Bitcoin was looking quite weak, right? Bitcoin was looking weak, and then Matic was actually looking way weaker than Bitcoin yesterday. So we took a short on Matic based on that, and then Bitcoin followed afterwards. So Matic actually front run Bitcoin quite a lot yesterday, which is yeah, because Bitcoin dominance was coming down a bit. So okay, so let's see how this plays out. Bitcoin, once Bitcoin closes above 51,853, we're going to be in a long position for Bitcoin. Okay. So we're waiting for this now. So Bitcoin's still holding here, guys. Still looks good. There's nothing really to worry about here. Matic's still in a nice position here to take the long. A nice bottom wick. Okay. Nice bottom wick here for Matic. I mean for OP. patience is definitely what we're gonna have to wait here. Okay, but yeah, do you guys have any other setups? I mean, we also took the Solana trade. If you guys did just join, we did take this Solana long as well. It came back down to the entry zone. So, but the thing is, Bitcoin needs to hold here, otherwise the market's gonna flip. We do have this little 5-minute level here. So the price needs to stay within this box, right? If price just consolidates within here today for Bitcoin, then we'll probably see the altcoins start to pump, because if price starts closing back below these 5-minute lows, then the market most probably come back down. But once we start closing above these 5-minute highs, we'll probably see the market come up. So it's important just to monitor. We need to monitor the range, right? Need to monitor the range. But Bitcoin, we're going to take a massive long for Bitcoin just now. I do think that this long, it's preparing, right? It is preparing for a nice juicy long here. Back up to 52,429. Okay. But yeah, if you guys did just join, welcome. We are long on a couple coins here.
做不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，期望对手像是比赛。你迈呼，迈呼，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。迈呼，迈呼，我和你 swag from deep。
We just need to be patient, yeah.
我那个不爱坐摩托 ，K out 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗，迈步，迈步。
Have a look here, have a look here. So this is Solana, right? This is Solana. Solana came back down beautifully, tapped into our zone, and then we're getting a nice reaction there. And then Bitcoin's looking good here. That's beautiful for Bitcoin. That's absolutely beautiful. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see candles close below here. Otherwise, we're going to see it down. And then OP, nice bounce from the zone as well. And then look at Matic. How's that bottom wick for Matic? That's beautiful, guys. Beautiful bottom wick for Matic. That's really bullish for Matic. It's really, really bullish. It's really, really bullish. And then Solana looks like it's about to pump here. Okay, yeah. Oh, Bitcoin's pumping. Here it is. Here comes the pump, guys. We're gonna take a long for Bitcoin soon. Okay, I'm gonna. This live is probably gonna be a little bit longer today, because I need to wait for the 30-minute closure for Bitcoin, right? And yeah, look at this. Looks like Solana's in a pump here, guys. Yeah, Matic's pumping as well. This is your current range for Bitcoin. Right in here. Like I was saying, right, for Bitcoin, price, if price just consolidates within here, price just trade within here today, then we will probably see the altcoins pop off. And if price closes above this level here, then we're going to see the altcoins really take off, right? But if price closes below this level, we probably see a bit of a retracement for some of the altcoins. Okay, so we need to monitor what Bitcoin's doing on the lower time frame, because we are actually scalping. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's see. It's important to just be patient here. Okay. What's the time? Yeah, it's 22, so market still, yeah, still open. There's no news today either, so it's quite a clean day. What is the news looking like today? I don't think there is any news today. We looked at it yesterday, but there's flash manufacturing, flash services a bit later, but not really going to do much in the markets. We don't really have to worry about news today, and then tomorrow there's no news. Yeah, nothing to worry about tomorrow. Okay, if you guys did just join, we are looking for a long for Bitcoin, but we need to wait for price to close above 51,853. We need to wait for price to close above this zone. Okay. And then OP still looks good. You just have to hold on to this one, because I do think that OP is in a pump today. This was a deviation price. If you have a look at the daily time frame for OP here, it doesn't even look like it's bearish, right? Like the daily time frame, we grabbed so much liquidity from these lows, 3.57 yesterday. Grabbed all of this liquidity here. We closed back above the range at 3.731, and then so I'm still bullish on that. I'm bullish on that. Okay, so just focus here, focus. But this live stream will be a little bit longer, because I really want to take this trade with this Bitcoin trade with you guys, and we have to wait for it though, so we can't just take it now. But we're gonna have to extend the live a little bit. It's called Forex Factory. Yeah, it's called Forex Factory. I'll post it in the chat. Okay, so that's, he was asking what I use for news. It's just called Forex Factory. Well, OP's pumping here, guys. Watch. And then Solana's about to rip as well. Make sure you guys, you taking these trades, manage your risk. Don't go too high on the leverage. There's no point. Doesn't make sense. Just manage your risk here, guys. Once Bitcoin closes above our range, yeah. Because how did the 15-minute candle close bullish, right? Did close bullish, but for me to take longs for Bitcoin, we've been speaking about it the whole morning, right? We need to wait for price to close above this level, yeah. If it doesn't close above, then it's not valid. Matic actually just hit CP1, which is beautiful. Okay, I do appreciate it, Ta. I do appreciate it. So we're still waiting for this long here for Bitcoin, okay? We're still waiting for this long. Wait, this song, sick. Play this song.
每一天你都会有机会跟很多人擦身而过，有些人会成为你的朋友，或者是知己，有些人会跟你斗得头破血流，管他呢，开心就开心就。
Oh baby, roll it down. Just be patient for this Bitcoin long, guys. Be patient for this long. We're waiting. We're waiting. Ten-minute candles closing. I don't really look at the 10 minutes too much, but sometimes it's good. You can see our price came retest, looks ready for a pump. I think OP just looks really good. Looks way better than any of the other coins, yeah. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, let's see what happens. Bitcoin's about to break out, yeah. It's very close. Oh, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We have to wait for the 30-minute, guys. We can't just jump in now. But it does look really strong. It does look really strong. But we can't jump in now. Solana still looks good. Have a look at Solana, guys. Solana looks like it's about to pump. And this strategy, it's simple, right? What do? You wait for price to close above the range, wait for a retest, and then take the long. Look at OP here, guys. OP is about to pump. OP is about to pump. OP is about to pump hard. Watch. Oh baby, lonely dance. OP is about to pump hard.
跟潘潘说一下，就是可能需要小心一点，因为我这首歌不是那些小情歌随随便便可以赢的。
Oh, let's go back to Ethereum. Ethereum is breaking out. Ethereum is breaking out, yeah. And check Matic. Matic's pumping. Matic is pumping. Matic is pumping. Let's go back to ETH. ETH looks like it's breaking out here as well. It's really close. We're looking at Ethereum long as well. But Ethereum, the problem is, right, taking longs here, you're taking longs at resistance and prices only tapped into this level once. So there is a high probability of it getting rejected from this level. There is definitely. But if Bitcoin starts to pump, right, which it's about to do now, then we're probably going to see Ethereum rip hard. Okay. Like Solana's ripping, guys. Solana's absolutely ripping. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah, look at Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin's 6 minutes. We're gonna take it long. Although it looks really strong, we can't take it now. Okay, we can't take it now, but it does look really strong. And we are long on like 4 coins, so don't want to overextend ourselves. And OP, if OP closes like this on the 30 minutes, it's just so strong. Ethereum, we're probably going to take Ethereum longs as well. So just make sure you guys stay a little bit longer here. Make sure you stay a little bit longer, because we're going to have to wait for the 30-minute candle. Yo, what's happening, Martin? How are you doing? Yeah, we long on a couple coins here. We are long on Solana. We are long on OP. And Bitcoin, we're waiting for Bitcoin. We need to wait for the 30-minute candle there. We do need to wait for the 30-minute candle, because if the 30-minute candle closes getting rejected from this level here, then it's not valid to take longs. Okay. But we need to wait 5 minutes. We do need to wait 5 minutes, yeah. Let's see. Once price closes above this key level here, once price closes above 51,850, then we can take a long. Yeah. I mean, the market's bullish there, so don't really take shorts today, to be honest with you. And like if Ethereum, we were speaking about this earlier, if Ethereum breaks out here, Ethereum's gonna pump hard. Like there's no real resistance. The next real resistance for ETH is like 22.49. So I think Ethereum is just gonna absolutely pump. But we're waiting for Bitcoin here. Would you have to wait a little bit longer? Would you have to wait for everything? Yeah. Yeah. And then OP's gonna pump. Watch this. It's about to rip. Yep, he's starting to pump. It's hard to keep track on all these coins, yeah, because it's the whole market is bullish, yeah. Yeah, we're waiting for Bitcoin. I'm also waiting for Bitcoin. This is why we wait for the closures though, because the thing is, if you don't wait for the candle closure at any given point of time, this candle can still close below this level, right? So if you obviously, like, if you took the long here, you would have a better position, but then you're not really confident in the trade because you're longing below the resistance, right? But once price closes above the resistance and the 4-hour candle is bullish, we're speaking about the 4-hour candle is flipping bullish, right? So because the 4-hour candle created this bottom wick over here, once it flips bullish, it's most probably going to carry on back up to its highs there. Okay. So we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see for Bitcoin. But let's see. Got a couple more minutes here. Couple more minutes, and then we'll take some positions. Yeah, I do see Solana hitting 108 today. I do see that happening. And Ethereum's closing above the range here. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. And then OP just looks good. So everything is looking good here, guys. Not really worried about any position. But we will manage risk once OP hits our first take profit at 3.937. And then, you could potentially ride this to the highs there. You could potentially ride this to the highs. But it's all dependent on how Bitcoin closes, yeah. Okay, so just wait, patient here. I'm waiting for Bitcoin long. Waiting for this long here. I like this structure though. The structure is good. Rejection. Candle close above. Take longs back up to the highs. Okay. Let's see. Patience. We need to wait. 1 more minute. Okay, so we had a closure above here. That's what we're waiting for. Beautiful. We're gonna wait for a little bottom wick here, and then we're gonna take it long for Bitcoin. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so like now, okay. We know wait for this to flip bullish here. Take the long. Okay, I'm gonna post this in the channel. We need to wait for this to flip bullish first, guys. Wait for it to flip bullish. Okay. Just wait. Be patient here. Once it flips bullish, we'll be in longs. Okay, so your stop loss is going to be quite tight here. Your stop loss is going to be quite tight here at 51.632, and TP is just going to be at around about 52.420. Okay. So we're going to wait for it to flip bullish, and then we'll take the long. Okay. So just wait a little bit longer here. Just a little bit longer. This song normally pumps the charts, so I'll operate this. OP looks good still.
天不怕地不怕，土里房子特别大，银行没进人民币，老子们全都吃得下。天不怕地不怕，不耍皮肤只打假，从来不学黑娃，因为黑娃不讲中国话。赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱，赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱，赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱，赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱。那边的 place 我们放的这种风格，走出中国，中国收藏我最疯的家样。会是被我终结，路易苏里演出非打进我卡头，粒粒破亮，每天都想被我卡油，随时都感觉很顶，8零8帮我操心，赚钱都赚上了瘾，老子们都是图 win，随时都感觉很顶，背着梦你还没醒，兄弟玩给老子听到就嘎西了，永远是重庆的 king， 搞清楚了没有？那一方我不追究，我们赚多钱，你一天想变美而黑秀，那个圈子找到细节，老子只给你牛几倍，不用再去奋斗激烈。看现在是个企业，我们早就秃了头，兄弟都是 rap star， 其实都想走人法，我们早就秃了头，因为我们天不怕地不怕，土里房子特别大，银行没进人民币，老子们全都吃得下。天不怕地不怕，不耍皮肤只打假，从来不学黑娃，因为黑娃不讲中国话。赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱，赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱，赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱，赚透了钱，拖钱，拖了钱，拖钱，拖钱。AKA 中央银行印钞机，小妹妹快点过来认干爹，财神爷的 VIP， 回挣钱的最卖力，刷爆机才跑数机，哈死了机会抓得紧 ，Money ring 开始 flow， 是最近浪妥妥的抖，好多金在我的口，要去违法的摸我的手，斧头多了几个零，那数不清多了几个球，天生大富大贵的命啊，大摇大摆到处抽，多钱好大光，背都背装机箱 ，brand new 每一张拽在身上来帮我挡枪，好吃皮啊不吃亏，好吃白啊不吃肥，老子给你唱分，我们的股价像火箭在飞。
Okay, so look at this for Ethereum, guys. Look at this for Ethereum. So Ethereum, like if you look at the 30-minute, it did close above the range, right? Ethereum did close above the range, but the 50-minute candle needs to start closing above this level here, otherwise it's just not valid. We have a 15-minute resistance, okay? We have a 15-minute resistance. Price needs to close above this level for me to take the long. Yeah, so we need to wait for that. We will look at this like very soon. We need to wait another 15 minutes. So just hold on here, guys. But Bitcoin's gonna flip bullish here, and we're gonna take longs. Like OP still looks super clean. Solana looks absolutely beautiful still. Solana looks absolutely beautiful. And then Bitcoin's, we have to wait for it to flip here. Because look here, right? If you look at Bitcoin, there's no top wick, right? There's no top wick. So what I'm waiting for is once this bottom wick's finished, we wait for price to flip bullish, we take the long, and then it's smooth sailing. Look at Solana, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, I think ETH's just gonna pump here. You could take this position for ETH. I'm not gonna take it personally, but I do think it's gonna pump. We can watch it pump. To be honest, it does look like it's about to pump really hard, yeah. And Bitcoin's about to rip here. We're gonna take longs. Okay. We're gonna take longs here for Bitcoin. Wait for this candle to flip bullish, and then we're in positions. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's flipping bullish here, guys. Wait, just wait. Just wait. Just wait. We need it to actually flip. We need this to flip here, and then we're in positions. Like Ethereum's about to pump. Ethereum is about to pump here. I mean, Ethereum is gonna go to 32k. I mean, not 32k. Sorry, 3200. Yeah, my bad. $32,000. That'll be crazy. I think a lot of people will be millionaires if that happens. Solana looking good. Solana is carrying it here. Waiting for Bitcoin, yeah. Waiting. Okay, hold on. Bitcoin needs to flip. We have to wait for this. Can't just jump in now. Yeah, this is the actual song that makes the market go up. Remember yesterday? Yeah, this song, yeah, it's class. If it doesn't flip bullish, yeah, then we're not going to take the position. Check Ethereum, man. It's still getting rejected, man. Still getting rejected from this 15-minute high. Need to wait for the next 50 minutes, yeah. For this Bitcoin trade, I'm probably gonna use like a 50x leverage on this, because once this flips bullish, I do think that price is just gonna absolutely come. Real lie, no lie. Let's wait. I'll end the live stream once we take the position. Solana is still pumping, guys. Solana is still pumping. Bitcoin, once it flips here, we got 5 minutes. Let's see if we can get a flip. Just patience. Don't want to take it now because it can still get rejected. OP still looks good, yes. If you're still in this OP long, look at Solana, absolutely pumping. Absolutely pumping. Absolutely pumping. Patience. Patience. Yeah, oh yeah, the pump. Yeah, sorry, this is the pump music. Sorry, it was the wrong one. This is the song. You're out, you're out. It was the wrong one. Here we go. There we go.
青睐，没有不准，哪有风想将我迎来？生命不赢，我就不心快，要从废墟一起赶到了个天台。发起爆量，谈什么计划？老爹生意不如我弹的琵琶。不做空悬，我是神作陛下，星座家佛来批评那个李白。脆弱的受不了旁人觊觎，我就是款款的不可理喻。不变的转世，变得清醒明白，大狗怎么可能去摆烂比喻？老师傅阶级光芒是个手指，欺负颜色，换钱超过老子啊！你的生命过于潦草，就不缭绕，扬起不卡死真的口齿。身在千山顶上游，突然神风飘向周。告诉我今晚睡不掉，喂，攀登山上雷龙呼啸，你们少年路太无聊，喂，往上爬有啥子避讳，无法再记忆，哦耶哦耶，要子不予理会，不然你以为，哎，我这不是一抓一的吧，被抓的是下巴呀，别被我吓怕耶，他们是附属品在平台里，就乖乖待在阴暗里，要抓得到你就能变成个解药，要不会了，想见的就多，我的飞蛾 that's way。我在你坚持中游泳，梦把紧张失败的梦，希望手中即是老子真的没空。Life a pico zone， 我在你坚持中游泳，梦把紧张失败的梦，希望手中即是老子真的没空。世界对于谎言依旧还在最高点，最高点，任凭他们能暴变，留不下的造作业，那就跟谁不杀下面，天边让我闪身有血，下来一场梦。
Yeah, it doesn't seem like the bump music's working, so let's just wait. The thing is, like the 30-minute candle, if you look at the 30-minute candle, right, it closed above the range, okay? So it closed above the range. There's no top wick here. So at any given point in time, this can still flip bullish, right? But the problem is Ethereum is at a really, really critical resistance, right? So in order for Ethereum to actually move up, we need price to close above the range, okay? And if it's getting rejected, Bitcoin's most probably going to get rejected. Yeah, this 50-minute candle is not looking too great. Let's just wait and see. It's closing back below the range though. Yeah, I've actually looked at it. I actually don't have one, but I am looking at to get one, definitely. They do look really cool. But I feel like you'll get like really absorbed into that, right? Like if you use it too much, then you won't even know it's reality. You'll just be sucked into like this virtual world, and I don't know if I could. I mean, it seems really addictive. It does seem really addictive. So I'll see. But yeah, it does look really cool. I mean, it is the future, but personally, like, I would use it too much. I can just see myself just sitting in the bathroom and using it. I'll use it everywhere. So I'll see. Bitcoin's closing back below the range there, guys. So yeah, I don't know. It's not really breaking out yet. We might have to wait. I mean, the 30-minute candle's not looking great at all. 30-minute candle's not looking good. Yeah, I don't know. Like, let's see. The market structure is still bullish, but the 1 hour candle doesn't have a top wick. So the thing is, at any given point in time, this can still flip bullish, right? On the 1 hour, right? On the 1 hour time frame, this can still flip bullish. Right? It can definitely still flip bullish. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to play this one. Like, Ethereum's getting rejected here. This would have been a good area to take sells, but that's not my strategy. So I can't really take sells there. Let's wait for Bitcoin here. I'll try extend it maybe another 15 minutes. Maybe see if we can get a position here for Bitcoin. It is important just to wait for these candles to close, because you can see why we needed to wait for this candle to flip bullish. Because what normally happens when you get a candle like over here, when a candle closes above a range, you normally see price create a bottom wick, which is what it's doing now. And then once this bottom wick flips bullish, then it's a good time to take a long position. But until then, you can't really take longs, because that's exactly what we're experiencing now. We're getting a reaction now. We're getting a move down. So yeah, we should be patient here. Solana still looks fine though. Like have a look at Solana. Like, Solana closed really, really nicely on the 1 hour. There is this fair value gap over here. Maybe that could be a level. Because the thing is, if you look at Solana, this whole market structure is bearish, right? But I'm expecting Sol to come back up to these highs today. If someone shorts 10k Bitcoin in future markets, and on the other side, someone buys 10k in spot market, which one will dominate? It would probably be the spot market, definitely, because the spot market has more power in terms of, like, although the futures market the price is different, but it would be the spot market. Well, it depends on how much leverage they're using on the futures market. Because if they're using, like, let's just say they're using 10k, if it's the exact same value, then obviously it's different, right? If they're using leverage, then it should the futures would dominate, right? But if it's the exact same value, then it would be spots, if you know what I mean. It depends on, like, the value. So if it's 10k Bitcoin, then that's like 1,000 with 10x leverage, right? So if it's 1,000 with 10x leverage and then 10k Bitcoin on this, then it should be equal. But yeah, if they're using 10k with a leverage, then it will be higher on the leverage. It would dominate on the leverage side. So yeah, that's a good question. Actually, it's a very good question. I don't think we're gonna get this in the lab today, guys. I do have to go. I'm very hungry, but I do appreciate everyone joining us there. Bitcoin. I will post the setup once it flips bullish. So make sure you guys do join the Telegram group. I will post the setup here. I will add you guys. Let me just put in the chat for you. But I do appreciate you guys for watching so long here. Okay, yeah. Cool. Have a good one, guys. See you later. See you tomorrow. I go live pretty much every day, so all good. I'm sorry.